This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. Hamptons inspired lake home perched upon a private rock ledge, 1.23 acres. Grand staircase, open floor plan. Extensive millwork, coffered ceilings, crown moldings, corbels, radiant flooring. Extensive details include millwork, coffered ceilings, crown moldings, corbels, plank hardwood FLS, travertine stone and tiled flooring. Solid mahogany doors, custom maple cabinetry, wet bar and great room overlooks three-sided fireplace. Sweeping lake views from every room. Gourmet kitchen, high-end stainless appliances, granite counters, center island, walk-in pantry. Fiberglass decking off bedrooms. Deck off dining room steps down to open courtyard with endless water views. Arched metal roofs, stone and cedar siding, trex decking, built-in generator. Lower level offers option for in-law suite. Lake front deck and docks. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.